The Business Process Catalog is a powerful tool released by Microsoft for several reasons. It offers a standardized set of business processes across Dynamics 365 applications, ensuring consistency and best practices. Whether you are a newcomer learning ERP applications or an experienced professional implementing Dynamics 365 in any business, this catalog is incredibly helpful. It saves a significant amount of time during the requirement gathering phases and throughout the entire lifecycle of ERP implementation. The new Power BI version of Business Process Catalog is slick, compact, and user-friendly. It saves a lot of time by eliminating the need of search through Excel sheets to find business processes. This is exactly same like a business process catalog in Excel. If this is handy, this helps to see all the business processes in one place. Like an example, end-to-end process L1, the next process is business process area L2, and the next process is business process L3 and process pattern. And if you want to see all processes, you can click on show all processes. And if I click on example acquire to dispose and related to acquire to dispose, all the L2 processes will come. If I further drill down to the define as a strategy, it will bring all the L3 processes for define as a strategy. If I further click on classify assets, it will only show the L4 processes related to classify assets. And if you further want to see exact process steps, related information, explanation about that process L4, you can just go to that, click on the link, and it will take you the exact link. Similarly, if I click on manage sales orders in under order to cash or manage return collections, it will further drill down to the L3 process. If I click on monitor customer credit, it will take me to the next process of L4. Again, if I want to see all processes, I can click on show all processes. This business process catalog has number like L1 15, L2 92 business process area, L3 process 641, and L4 process 2675. If you want to search some process or some keyword like payment, it will help you. If you just type and search, it will bring all the processes related to payment. Further, if you want to see business process catalog, you can click on the business process catalog link and it will take you to the business process catalog. You can further just download business process catalog in Excel, flows, and everything.